Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stopped to think about what your job will look like in just a few years? I mean, things are changing so fast these days, especially with all this talk about artificial intelligence. That's right, AI isn't just something you see in sci-fi movies anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's rapidly changing the future of work as we know it. So, is your job safe? Could your career be affected? That's exactly what we're diving into in today's eye-opening video. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Now, maybe you're thinking, AI? That sounds complicated. Or maybe you're already seeing it pop up in your daily life. Either way, understanding how AI is reshaping our jobs and careers is super important if you want to thrive in the future. We're going to break it all down, look at different industries, and even talk about the skills you might need to succeed. So, if you want to be prepared for what's coming, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Okay, so what exactly is AI doing in the world of work? Well, one of the biggest things is automation of repetitive tasks. Think about those jobs that involve doing the same thing over and over again, whether it's on a factory line or even some of the more data entry type jobs in an office. AI-powered machines and software are becoming really good at these kinds of tasks. And while some people might worry this means robots are going to steal all the blue-collar jobs, it's also freeing up human workers to focus on things that require more creativity, problem-solving, and people skills, things that AI isn't so great at yet. It's like, the robots can handle the boring stuff, and humans can focus on the more interesting and challenging aspects of the work. But it's not just about taking over tasks. AI is also leading to increased efficiency and productivity across all sorts of industries. Let's take manufacturing, for example. AI can analyze data to predict when machines might break down, allowing for maintenance before it causes big problems and delays. This is called predictive maintenance, and it saves companies a ton of time and money. The same goes for finance. AI algorithms can analyze huge amounts of financial data much faster and more accurately than humans, helping with things like fraud detection and investment strategies. It's like having a super smart, super fast assistant that never gets tired. And get this, AI isn't just changing existing jobs, it's also leading to the emergence of completely new roles. As AI technology becomes more advanced, we need people who can build it, train it, and make sure it's being used ethically. Think about it. We need AI trainers to teach these systems how to learn and improve. We need data scientists to analyze the massive amounts of information AI generates. And perhaps most importantly, we need ethical AI developers to make sure these technologies are fair, unbiased, and used in a way that benefits everyone. These are exciting new career paths that didn't even exist a few years ago. Now let's zoom in on a few specific areas to see how AI is making a real difference. In healthcare, AI is doing some truly amazing things. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately by analyzing medical images. It's leading to personalized medicine where treatments are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. And even robotic surgery is becoming more common, allowing for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision. It's like having a super-powered medical assistant that can see things the human eye might miss. Next, let's look at manufacturing. We touched on this earlier, but there's even more to it. Beyond just automation, AI is optimizing the entire manufacturing process. AI-driven robots can work collaboratively with humans on assembly lines, improving efficiency and safety. AI can also analyze data to optimize supply chains, predicting demand, and ensuring that the right materials are in the right place at the right time. It's making factories smarter and more responsive. And finally, let's talk about customer service. This is an area many of you have probably already encountered AI in. Think about those chatbots that pop up when you visit a website. Those are often powered by AI. AI is also being used to provide personalized recommendations based on your past purchases and browsing history. And virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, able to answer complex questions and resolve issues quickly. It's all about making customer service faster, more efficient, and more tailored to your individual needs. Now, we've talked a lot about the exciting possibilities of AI, but it's also important to be realistic about the challenges. And that brings us to our next section. The challenges of AI in the workplace. One of the biggest concerns people have is job displacement and the skills gap. It's true that as AI takes over some tasks, certain jobs might become less common. This is why retraining and upskilling are going to be so crucial. We need to equip people with the skills needed for the new roles that AI is creating and for the jobs that will evolve alongside AI. It's not necessarily about AI taking all the jobs, but about the nature of jobs changing. Another really important aspect to consider is ethical considerations. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data contains biases, the AI can perpetuate those biases. We also need to think about data privacy. How is the data used to train AI being collected and protected? And what about the potential for misuse of AI technology? These are big questions that society needs to grapple with as AI becomes more integrated into our lives and workplaces. Ultimately, the most successful future of work will likely involve human-AI collaboration. It's not about humans versus AI. It's about finding ways for humans and AI to work together in a way that enhances everyone's capabilities. Think of AI as a powerful tool that can augment human intelligence and allow us to focus on the uniquely human aspects of work, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Now, we're about halfway through our exploration of AI and the future of work. We've covered a lot of ground, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What are your biggest questions or concerns about AI at work? Have you seen AI impacting your industry already? I'd love to hear your experiences and start a conversation. We'll be checking the comments, so don't be shy. Preparing for the AI-driven future. So what can you do to get ready for this changing landscape? Well, one of the most important things is reskilling and upskilling. The world of work is constantly evolving, and that's even more true with the rise of AI. Embracing lifelong learning and being willing to acquire new skills is going to be essential for staying competitive. This might mean taking online courses, attending workshops, or even going back to school to learn new technologies and concepts. It's also about adapting to a changing workforce. The traditional 9-to-5 office job might look very different in the future. We might see more remote work, more project-based work, and more collaboration with AI systems. Being flexible, adaptable, and open to new ways of working will be key to navigating this evolving landscape. And finally, it's important to embrace the opportunities that AI presents. While there are challenges, AI also has the potential to empower individuals and businesses in incredible ways. Think about the potential for AI to help us solve complex problems, innovate faster, and create a more efficient and even a more equitable future. By focusing on the positive possibilities and proactively preparing for the changes, we can harness the power of AI for good. The future of work with AI. Looking ahead, I truly believe that AI will be more of a partner than a replacement for humans in the workplace. It has the potential to augment our abilities, handle tedious tasks, and free us up to focus on what makes us uniquely human. Think of it like having a super intelligent assistant that can help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. And in this increasingly AI-powered world, the importance of human creativity and emotional intelligence will only grow. AI can process data and automate tasks, but it can't replicate the spark of human creativity, the empathy we feel for one another, or the ability to build strong relationships. These are the skills that will be highly valued in the future, the things that will set us apart from machines. So, the future of work with AI is not something to fear, but something to prepare for and embrace. By understanding the changes that are happening, developing new skills, and focusing on our uniquely human strengths, we can all thrive in this exciting new era. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you found this informative and thought-provoking. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps other people find this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos exploring the future of technology and its impact on our lives. And finally, share this video with anyone you think might find it interesting or helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.